Hi everyone, it's Cara, and it's time for our Monday recipe video. Today we're doing a feta chicken salad. I believe feta goes first in the name, but I'll put the link below. It's from the All Recipes Dinner Spinner app. So, one of my favorite apps, and it's called a feta chicken salad. I had some vegan feta I wanted to use. This is dairy-free, Violife. And it tastes just like feta. It's really good. So it's in there. Half of this is in there. This is 8 ounces and it calls for 4. So half of that is crumbled in here. You can see it right there. We have 2 cans of our Members Mark Premium Natural Chicken Breast. 2 cans of this in there. Down there in the bottom. There's some. Then we have... Let's see what you can see on top here. We have 6 tablespoons of mayonnaise, so we're using soy-free Veganese because I'm allergic to soy and eggs. That's by Follow Your Heart. Then 6 tablespoons of sour cream. We're using the Forager organic plant-based sour cream. And again, because I'm allergic to dairy. Then I put in 2 teaspoons of minced garlic just because some of the people in the reviews said that they added some to theirs and I like garlic, so I did. And then it's supposed to be half of a red onion. I had half of a purple onion left, but that was like way too much. So I put in like a 1/4 of a purple onion chopped up in there, and then 2 stalks of celery. So that's in there as well. And then 2 teaspoons of organic dill weed. So that's right there. And then they just said salt and pepper to taste. So I'm going to stir it all together and then show you what it looks like, because they said you could serve it like that, or you could put it in the refrigerator and serve it cold. So I'm going to stir it up and show you what it looks like, but I'm actually going to put it in the refrigerator and serve it cold. Okay, that's the finished product. This is our feta chicken salad, and because it's got feta in it, and just so you know, I shook some more salt and pepper in there to taste, but it tastes really good already, and I haven't even put it in the fridge yet. So there's several options to serve this. I mean, it's a chicken salad. So some people like to serve it in a salad, like over lettuce. Some people like to serve it over quinoa, which I'm making some quinoa over here in my Instapot. And I can't remember if I told y'all this recipe before, but it's 1 minute on manual cook on the Instapot, high pressure, and then you let it natural release until the little thing goes down on the top. But I put the rest of that purple onion in here, and then 2 tablespoons of the minced garlic, and then I have 2.5 cups of quinoa. So what I'm going to do is 2.5 cups of broth. So it's 1-to-1, your liquid versus your quinoa in this recipe in the Instapot. And then you do 1 minute on manual, and then let it natural release until this little red thing on top goes down. It's down right now, but it will be up during pressure cooking. And when it goes down during natural release, it's done. It cooks your quinoa perfectly, and I highly recommend it. So I'm gonna serve mine over quinoa, but the other option would be if you wanted to serve it on a sandwich, which I am gonna do that for my kids. And I may even do a hot sandwich for them because they like it. On the George Foreman, like I take their bread, I put the chicken salad inside, and then I put it on the George Foreman and grill it up, make it like a panini kind of a hot sandwich. And that would be really good with this, I think, because of the feta. It would melt it a little bit. So I think I'm going to serve it as a hot sandwich and then have some quinoa on the side. I'm going to make some French fries for them on the side as well. So however you want to serve it, but there's plenty of ideas for you. You should give it a try. It's so easy and it tastes really good.